सुनियोजन, संयम, सुनियोजन। सुनियोजन होने के बाद क्या है, फिर द कंसेप्ट ऑफ सर्विस हैज टू कम, सेवा, सर्विस. This concept of service helps you in utilizing those things which you have in your life with you, faculties which you earn, education which you earn with the help of the resources you had. All these resources, they are being invoked in the right direction, and you start believing that I need to serve society. I need to serve society. So these are the three aspects through which a person invokes the Dharmamay Jivan. Dharmamay Jivan, Dharmamay Earth, Dharmamay Kam, Dharmamay life throughout moksha. But Adharmamay, Shudra. Shudra means one who has got the lowest possible yoni, lowest possible category. He is the one who can be thrown out of the society. In Sanskrit, there is a word known as Vratya, V-R-A-T-Y-A, Vratya. Sanskarchyut, one who has lost sanskar, one who is not sanskarvan. If he loses sanskar, then he becomes Vratya. So he is sent out of the country. There were a lot of people who were sent out of country by rishis and sages, and when they repented and they did tapasharya, they came back. So what are the tools to achieve it? The tools to achieve Sanskarmay Jivan are two: Tap and Yoga. Tap and Yoga. Tap means self-restraint and doing certain disciplines, following certain disciplines properly. And Yoga means to invoke them. Means you got my point. Like पहले तो रोकना, एनर्जी के लॉस को रोकना, फिर उसको लगा देना. न लगाने से भी परेशानी हो जाएगी. The dam will burst like anything. There will be energy will be totally exploding if you don't use it properly. So this is what is the need of time today. That we understand we are living in a world full of lot of negativities. We are living in a world full of lot of kamuk energy, kamukta. There is a lot of lust and lot of greed and lot of hatred. And lot of things, everything is centered on one thing: eating and reproducing. Eating and reproducing. How can we be away from that? By tap. Tap. Tap doesn't mean that you stand on one feet and put your hand like this. This is not tap. Tap is living a lifestyle which is giving you, not only you, but your soul also satisfaction that you are living like a human being. Tap. तप, गुरुदेव ने तप की डेफिनेशन बहुत अच्छी की है. गुरुदेव ने कहा है कि तप उसको कहते हैं जिसमें कि आदमी ब्राह्मण जैसा जीवन जीने की कोशिश करे. ट्राई, जस्ट मेक इट ट्राई. व्हाट इज ब्राह्मण? ब्राह्मण मतलब समाज से कम लेना, समाज को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा देना. टेक मिनिमम फ्रॉम सोसाइटी, डिलीवर मैक्सिमम टू द सोसाइटी. दिस इज व्हाट इज डेफिनेशन ऑफ तप, ब्राह्मण. सो पर्टिकुलरली दिस पर्टिकुलर concept of what you have taken is the energy has to be channelized, energy has to be properly utilized, energy has to be somewhere, it has to be invoked, and if this energy is not invoked, then you won't be able to utilize your stored energy. For this, yoga has to be done. Yoga means combining yukta. Yukta means unite yourself with macrocosmos. Without God, you do not exist. Without Guru, you do not exist. You exist with the help of Guru, spiritual support, and for that there are few sadhanas, which yoga sadhanas have been advised, and those sadhanas can be done. Panchakoshi sadhana, Shat Chakra Jagran sadhana, Gayatri sadhana, simple Gayatri sadhana, Tratak sadhana, and Soham sadhana. This Tratak and Soham are very closer to bringing your energy level from inside in a proper format. So we have discussed them in a detailed format in 3 days, 2 days. So all of you know about it. Now I have spoken. I would like you to speak. Whatever I have spoken and whatever you heard from Viral, what he spoke from Mike, and whatever is written in your book, which you have come after reading it. Now you will speak. What do you understand about the Dharmamay Arth, Dharmamay Kam, Dharmamay Moksha, Dharmamay Kam, Dharmamay Arth, and Dharmamay Jivan leading to Moksha, Adharmamay Jivan leading to a life, Shudravay life, which takes you to hell. मोक्ष का उल्टा क्या है? बंधन. मोक्ष का रिवर्स, व्हाट इज द रिवर्स ऑफ द मोक्ष? बंधन, बॉन्डेजेस, भव बंधन, बॉन्डेजेस, एंड लास्टली हेल, नरक. नरक में जाना पड़ेगा. और मोक्ष का ऊपर वाला हिस्सा क्या है? स्वर्ग, हेवनली प्लेजर. वंस यू आर लिविंग इन दैट वर्ल्ड, यू आर लिविंग इन ए हेवनली प्लेजरफुल लाइफ. So that moksha takes you to Swarg, and Bhavabandhan takes you to Narak. These are the two stages. It is up to you to choose the route. You want to go here or you want to go here. You want to develop that and you want to develop this. This is up to you. Each and everybody has been given choice that what do you want to do. Do you want to live Dharmamay Jivan or do you want to live Adharmamay Jivan? Adharmamay Jivan in many form is lived by 5 categories of people. Nar Pashu, Nar Kitak, Nar Pishach, Nar Vanar, and lastly Nar Manav. Nar Manav. They are the 5 categories of Nar. Human beings are 5. You can just write down. Nar Pashu, now these things you are not going to get anywhere else. Nar Pashu, Nar Kitak, कीड़े जैसा जीवन. कीड़े जैसा जीवन. I was telling you the example of Chitraketu, that Chitraketu, that he said, I don't want to get rebirth. I already chosen my mate. I'm running after my queen. कीड़ी के पीछे भाग रहा है वो. कीड़ा कीड़ी के पीछे भाग रहा है. So you can imagine that these are the lives of the 95% people of the whole world. 95% people are living this life. Nar Pashu, Nar Kitak. Pashu is one who is only limited to 2 things. पेट प्रजनन, खाना, बच्चे पैदा करना. खाना, सेक्स करना, बच्चे पैदा करना, बस. They are the 2 things which he is engaged. Nar Pashu. Nar Kitak, कीड़े जैसा जीवन, बहुत नीचे, छोटा जीवन. Nar Pishach, living in the form of Nar, was 16 December incident I told you. That is why Nar Pishach, Rakshas. Pishach in the form of Nar. Nar Pamar. Nar Pamar means just emotionless people, just senseless people. They don't have any sense of what they are doing. They don't have any idea whether world exists or not. आप कहाँ हो? मैं कहाँ हूँ भाई? देखो चारों तरफ. अच्छा, आपने मुझसे पूछा था? ओह, मैं यहाँ हूँ. ये नर पामर है, पत्थर की तरह से. कुछ नहीं खबर कहाँ है. मतलब IQ लेवल भी बहुत कम होता है और वो भी बहुत कम होता है, समझ भी बहुत कम होती है. एंड देन लास्टली नर मानव. नर चोले में मानव, ह्यूमन बीइंग इन द फॉर्म ऑफ नर. What we want to do is, through this Dharmamay Jivan, we want to make this Nar Manav Dev Manav, divine being, Dev Manav, Mahamanav, Devdut, Avatar, and Pegambar. These are the categories. Nar Manav, Dev Manav, Mahamanav, Avatar, Pegambar, ultimately Rishis. Rishis are much higher than avatar incarnations. Rishi can give even the curse to avatar incarnation. Avatar is a human form of the power. So these are the categories which tell you exactly what is the status of ours. We have to analyze, or we have to assess ourselves. We have to assess ourselves who we are. Are we Nar Manav? Are we Nar Kitak? Are we Nar Pashu? We are limited to only these means, or we are much more than that. If we are much more than that, then our duty, our role of duty comes now. Now this energy which you have inside in the form of too much of energy, each human being has got too much of energy. If you just calculate the neurons, about more than 30 billion neurons in your mind, or more than 5 to 10 billion body cells are there in each and every one. If you spread the skin of the person, and if you just want to spread it, it will be around more than 60 to 70 feet wide wall, it will be formed. If you just take out the kidney tubules, renal tubules, means kidney has got filters, and each filter has got renal tubules. If you just end to end, you tie these tubules, then you can make 3 circles on the earth. एक आदमी का एक किडनी का. Can you imagine how intricate, how subtler system we have got, how much energy we have got, how much power and how much Shakti is there in our inside. But why don't we realize it? Why don't we assess ourselves as a powerful human being? That is what Swami Vivekananda did. He told everybody, awake, arise, and understand you are full of divine force, divinity. This divinity will come out only when you realize that you have got divinity and you have got immense source of energy. This immense source of energy is unfortunately not understood by many. खजाना तो है घर में, पैसा तो है बहुत सारा, पर चेक लिखने की अकल नहीं है, यूज़ करने का समझ नहीं है, तो क्या करेंगे? What will happen? Ultimately you will, सब चला जाएगा. एक there was a person who did a lot of good to a king, and what happened? King awarded him. मुझे पानी पिलाया, जब मैं शिकार के लिए गया था तब पानी पिलाया. I award you a forest full of sandalwood trees. Now what he did? He was a लकड़हारा, मतलब वुड चॉप करता था और बेचता था बाजार में. उसने चंदन की लकड़ी जस्ट पैसे कौड़ी के मोल में बेच दी. जस्ट इन 1 रुपये में बेचता था, बाकी लकड़ी को भी उसने उसको भी 1 रुपये में बेच दिया, सबको पूरे को. आखिरी में जाकर कोई लास्ट में उसको पता चला कि आई हैव सोल्ड माई होल forest but for 1 tree in such a cheap cost. I never imagined the value of the one tree. What was the value of this 1 tree? Someone told him that this 1 tree can bring you wealth like anything. You got enough. अभी भी बचा है, अभी एक ट्री बचा है, उस एक ट्री से तो इतना कमा सकता है. He earned by that and he understood that he lost his whole treasure just by that. We lose our treasure. We lose our youth. We lose our luster, we lose our radiance, we lose our all sorts of hormonal energy which we have got inside us because of our mistakes, our lack of concentration, our lack of control on our own self. If we start utilizing this properly, I think we can do a lot. We have got immense energy. This energy, eternal energy, has to be utilized in a proper way. Yeah.
So, just going on with this one, so utilizing your energy in the proper way, and in today's world we interact so much with other people. So the scenario you gave where in this case there you donated so much food for another person evacuated, and that food would actually be sold, is going to be given just for free. Do you have the role to now go and stop those people, or do you...
We already done it. We already stopping them. Not only we are stopping them, we are making awareness. You see, the society has to be made aware also. When we do something like dharma, then awareness also with here. Without awareness, dharma becomes adharma. In the 18th chapter, Gita, Lord Krishna says that adharma dhan, adharmaya dattam hutam daptam yagya hutam, yagya dan or tap. Adharmay ho, so it is going to harm you. So this is what is the wrong. Actually, what happens? We want to give something, but we don't know how to give. So talk to someone who is intelligent enough to guide you, how should you donate? I don't know what channel I should use. Now, unnecessarily, I'm donating those things for wrong means. So I think this is the adharmamay dan, and this particular thing was not given as dan. It was to be utilized for their own brothers and kins. They were all Uttarakhandis. They were all Pahadis. But ultimately, they are charging them as black marketing, hoarding of the money, hoarding of the, and they are dying, and they are paying to them. This is something which hurts us actually. You take donations from people and you give it to some right cause, and this is ultimately misused. Misuse of the dan, donation, is also wrong.
I didn't mean exactly what you and that, but for someone like me, like I find this very responsible. But I don't myself have any authority to go and stop them. So what do? Do I just now focus on another organization which I donate to? Or do I just then try to figure out who can stop? I mean, I don't know how possible that is.
You start writing a blog, create awareness. Create awareness. Creating awareness is the biggest service to the society. You see what Gurudev did? He started a eternal lamp. Eternity की बात करें ना, eternal source of energy. He started an eternal lamp, Akhand Jyoti. And through that Akhand Jyoti, he started awareness. And that awareness became so intensive that people started understanding the meaning of yajna. Yajna was so costly. For a single kundi yajna, one kundi yajna, 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees were invested. Brahmins used to eat like anything. They used to enjoy like anything. Gurudev made it damn cheap. In 5 rupees we will do the yajna. There is nothing to be done. Only feelings and emotions and these things. Then ultimately, lastly, he came to Deep Yajna. Just light a lamp and do the yajna. So, awareness is very important. Awareness has to be spread. Yes, please.
I find like I have a want to do something, but I'm like already I have enough to not go out and try and get more. Like like my stomach's full enough. It's not completely full, but it's not completely empty. When you're completely empty, then you want other things. Then you want to go out and get it. I find that like coming from like a middle class type of family, you have your certain demands are met. You're content in that one. When you're poor, that's when you want to go out and get something. How do you
Don't wait for the vessel to get empty. Don't wait for that vessel to get empty, or don't conserve those things which are unnecessarily you are hoarding. If you got something extra, give it, and try to understand that whatever you have, it is for not only for yourself, it is for society also. When you are concerned and society is concerned, they mix together, then this concept of seva starts occurring. So our concern should be whole world, whole ecosystem, whole society. Ek vishwam pushte grame asmin anaturam. Let us make this whole global village, global world stronger, enriched one by our resources. So you have to realize, and that is done by the self-realization sadhana. Whenever you do sadhana, whenever you realize yourself, then think over your resources, think of what you have got and how you can utilize them, how you can channelize them properly. What is the purpose of keeping anything in your house which you are not using at all? You see, I have got 200 shirts, I got 200 pants, I got 200 shoes. What exactly it is going to make use of it in the society? Ultimately, distribute them. There is an organization in India, Goonj. What it does, it collects from everyone the various used clothes. It may be in USA also, I think USA may be hoga. But what they do is they do immense service. They distribute it to the right persons. Right person means not those who will again sell it to someone. आपने किसी को दिया, वो जाके कहीं बेच देगा, बेच के पैसा मिलेगा, उसे शराब पिएगा वो. तो एक्चुअली राइचियस मीन्स का मतलब होता है कि जो आपके पास है उसको यूज तो करो. एनर्जी इज देयर इन यू बट यू आर नॉट यूजिंग इट. Means and media are there in you, but you are not using it. Try to use them and after the use, whatever is remaining, invoke it in a proper way. Yes?
So then, what's more important for as a quality to practice like sadhanas or to have like love for the community?
Both. Actually, both are complementary to each other. Sadhana and aradhana. Aradhana means love to community. Sadhana is love to yourself, means taming yourself, controlling yourself. Sadhana and aradhana are just complementary to each other. Try to do that. Myself? No. It is not written there. I am going from here to. Oh, nonsense. I thought I am going to adults only direct. So what should we do? I'm sorry, I have exceeded my limit of time. So we are meeting in the afternoon again, and we can have open question answer session. We are doing it on the river bank. The afternoon activity, a post lunch activity. Only today and tomorrow, two days are left. Try to utilize maximum whatever we have got time. You can tell them the 2:30, 2:30 to. No, where they are going to be 2:30, 3:15? Here or there? Riverfront. So you don't get confused, yeah.
2 to 3:30 in this class. After 3:30 they will go to the river.
So I'll see group 3 and I'll go to then Baba log. Adults. I'm just giving you few these things. I will not be able to distribute personally, but this will be given to you by our representatives. This has Gurudev's photographs, and this has got one card of mine in which there is my signature and my photograph, latest photograph. I'm sorry, I'm I'll be ready to answer any of your query when we meet in the afternoon, because we got 2-3 hours there, 2 hours at least, 2 hours interaction. That is the what is its name, like game of real life जो था ना, we have just changed that format, and it will be Akhand Jyoti activity plus regional meeting with the Parjans. So those seniors will also be meeting with me, and I will be meeting with you also.